Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
A compact phone that you can comfortably operate with one hand always feels great to use. But would you be willing to compromise on battery life and performance just to get that smaller, more comfortable design? That was exactly the question that once sparked debate at OnePlus. Now, the brand is back with something exciting. The newly introduced OnePlus 15T arrives as a powerful small-screen flagship designed to combine strong performance and long battery life in a compact body. It aims to deliver an experience that can rival or even surpass many large-screen flagship devices, redefining what a small-screen flagship phone can truly be. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The secret behind the OnePlus 15T's compact design lies in its industry-leading ultra-narrow bezels. All four sides of the display are perfectly symmetrical, and the bezels are incredibly thin, almost like the width of a toothpick. For small screen phones, thinner bezels mean a smaller overall body while still offering a larger display area. This has always been the ideal goal for compact smartphones. As a result, the phone feels light and easy to hold without sacrificing screen visibility. Whether you're watching videos, streaming dramas, or playing games, the slim bezels keep the view clear and uninterrupted, creating a surprisingly immersive experience the moment you pick it up. The 6.32-inch small display, combined with the ultra-compact body, makes one-handed use extremely comfortable and smooth. In addition, the softly rounded corners are carefully designed to naturally match the shape of your hand in both portrait and landscape orientations, giving small-screen devices a unique ergonomic advantage. The overall structure and balance of the phone are also thoughtfully designed, allowing the device to maintain nearly a perfect 50-50 weight distribution. This prevents the phone from feeling top-heavy or uneven, making it comfortable to hold for long periods. When it comes to design, OnePlus continues to deliver on its promise by introducing 3 new minimalist color options, each with its own unique charm. The pure cocoa color stands out with a finish that resembles the texture of chocolate, offering a smooth yet slightly textured feel that makes you want to pick it up again and again. The all-white version looks clean and elegant, something I would describe as the new generation's white moonlight in the smartphone world. And the one I have here, called Relaxed Matcha, features a low-saturation green tone that feels calm and soothing to the eyes. With spring approaching, this color gives off a refreshing and energetic vibe, making it a stylish option that suits both men and women. In the end, the OnePlus 15T feels like the dream device many small-screen phone enthusiasts have been waiting for. It combines strong performance, long battery life, smooth daily operation, and impressive camera capabilities, proving that compact smartphones can still deliver serious power. Recently, more details have been gradually revealed, including a massive 7,500 mAh battery, an impressive Antutu score of 4.45 million, and a 3.5x periscope telephoto lens. Of course, I'll also be sharing the newest updates about the OnePlus 15T as soon as they become available. That's it for this video. Make sure you follow the channel because in the next video, I'll be sharing my heavy use experience with the OnePlus 15T. And once the phone officially launches, I'll upload a detailed review as well. So stay connected with the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.